Welcome. If you want to block ads on your Honor 9X, for the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on search, and we have to get the Opera mini browser, click on the install, and right now just wait. Open the browser, click on the continue, and then tap on the allow and continue. And right now we can enter, for example, this website. And as you can see, we have the ads blocked notification in this upper section screen. So right now we can scroll here and we cannot find any ads here. So it's really cool because you don't have to get any external application and connect it to your browser. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.